Keeping your smoker clean is crucial for optimal performance and flavor enhancement. A dirty smoker can lead to unwanted flavors and a compromised cooking surface. By ensuring proper cleanliness, you not only protect the seasoning, but also extend the lifespan of your smoker. This protective layer helps to develop a rich, smoky flavor in your meats, making it vital to maintain it. Regular cleaning practices will prevent dirt and grease buildup, ultimately leading to tastier dishes. A well-maintained smoker serves you better, providing the smokehouse quality flavor that gets everyone coming back for more. Using non-abrasive cleaning tools is essential for preserving the seasoning on your smoker. Harsh scrubbing brushes or steel wool can strip away the protective layer that enhances the flavor of your food. Instead, opt for soft sponges, nylon brushes, or cloths that effectively clean the grates and surfaces without causing damage. Focus on removing food particles and residue rather than deep scrubbing, as this maintains the smoker's integrity. Remember, the goal is to keep your smoker clean while still allowing the seasoned layer to develop and contribute to the great taste of your smoked dishes. Cleaning your smoker after each use is vital for maintaining its performance and flavor. A quick cleanup helps remove food particles and soot that can accumulate and affect the seasoning over time. Take a moment to scrape down the grates and wipe down surfaces, ensuring no residues are left behind. This preventative measure stops buildup and retains the smoker's natural flavors. Remember, a few minutes spent cleaning after each session can save you from a more extensive and time-consuming deep clean later. This routine promotes longevity and ensures every smoke session delivers delicious results. Deep cleaning your smoker periodically, typically after several uses, ensures that built-up grease and residue don't affect your cooking results. Effective techniques include removing grates and soaking them in warm soapy water while using a mixture of natural cleaning agents like vinegar and baking soda on surfaces. These products are gentle yet effective, ensuring that the smoker's flavor and seasoning remain intact. It's important to perform deep cleaning when you notice a significant buildup or before an important cooking event. This practice not only enhances the smoker's performance, but also prolongs its lifespan. Establishing a regular maintenance routine for your smoker is crucial for optimal performance and flavor. Create a schedule that includes weekly quick cleanups, monthly deep cleans, and seasonal inspections of parts like the firebox and vents. A detailed checklist can help you stay organized, covering tasks such as checking seals, ensuring proper airflow, and maintaining seasoning. Regular maintenance not only keeps your smoker looking good, but also enhances its functionality. By adhering to this routine, you ensure that every smoking session yields the best results, delivering deliciously seasoned and flavorful dishes every time.